Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your Facebook account name in 2026. Okay, let's go for a tutorial video. Step 1, open Facebook app. After open Facebook, click your profile and you can click menu setting. After click menu, click setting option. After click setting option, click account center. Okay. After click account center, click profile and personal details and click your account and select your name option. Okay, you can change your name. First name, for example. Okay, and if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 16 days. And after set name, click revive chart. Okay, now at least save changes. It's very easy. Name update successful. Very easy. My profile name is changed and I will refresh my profile and we're okay. Please like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel. Good luck.